Today we are going inside one of the world's largest beef burger factories to see how burgers are made on an industrial scale. The journey of a burger actually begins long before the factory, starting with carefully raised cattle on large farms. As the cattle are calmly guided, strict regulations are followed to maintain their health and quality control standards.
These trucks will take the animals to a nearby meat processing facility.
Thousands of animals are transported daily to supply the global demand for beef products. From the moment the cattle arrive, every step is closely monitored by our supervisors and overhead cameras.
Overall health seems optimal on this group.
Agreed. Let's clear them for processing and move to the next pen.
Condition looks good, but check the ear tag.
Noted. Mobility seems within standards.
Let's proceed with caution on this one.
Our automated conveyor systems help maintain the speed and efficiency critical for large-scale factory operations.
The fat percentage is ideal on these cuts.
Scan complete. Move those to the secondary line.
Verified. High quality balance achieved.
Ensure the temperature is within the safe range.
Oh, this marbling looks excellent.
Check the texture of this one.
The consistency is still too coarse. We need to increase the blade speed.
Speed increasing now. Check the flow rate.
Typical J for Tolanchi. This balance is essential for creating juicy and flavorful burger patties. This precise fat-to-lean balance is essential for creating juicy and flavorful burger patties.
The temperature in zone 3 just spiked to 72.3 degrees. We have a high anomaly warning.
We need to shut down the line.
By using these specialized cylindrical molds, the production line ensures that every burger patty maintains a consistent size and shape.
Before shaping begins, the meat passes through a metal detection system that checks for any foreign materials.
Now the real industrial process begins, turbines, turning raw beef into the burger patties served in restaurants around the world.
The speed of modern food manufacturing is truly incredible. Perfectly shaped patties move down the line in flawless alignment at an astonishing rate. The patties enter a long freezing tunnel where extremely cold air quickly freezes them. This rapid freezing helps maintain freshness and quality. The patties now enter the final stage, where automated systems prepare them for rapid shipment.
Okay, bring it back slowly. Watch the left side. Little higher now, easy. All right, set it down, looks good.
Watch your clearance on the left.
Clear left.
Set it down.
We need to expedite the Johnson shipment. See this red flag here?
I see it. Adjusting priority and rerouting the truck now.
It's confirmed.
Refrigerated trucks begin leaving the factory loading docks. Their cooling systems keep the burger patties frozen while they travel to distribution centers and restaurants. These trucks are the backbone of the supply chain, transporting frozen burger patties across cities and regions daily.
Another box coming down.
All right, hand it over.
Bring that stack inside now.
Pallet coming through, clear the aisle. Hold it right there, we need to scan the manifest first.
And so, the culmination of a vast industrial process results in this simple meal, ready for you to enjoy.
This wine pairs perfectly with the pasta.
You're right, and the service has been excellent tonight.
I highly recommend the chocolate lava cake for dessert.
I need 3 more patties on table 7. Heard. Pushing them now, chef.
Next order, 2 classic burgers. Packaging them now. Here's your order, sir.
Modern food delivery connects factories, restaurants, and homes,